Bam! Hello, friend. This is professional boxing trainer Kerry Farr. And I'm speaking to you from the Club Knockout Gym, a place where I spent over 20 years of my life developing hundreds of amateur and professional boxers. The talent that came out of this gym was so good that we developed a multitude of champions, and it allowed me to go with these men around the world while they boxed competitively. It was a wonderful ride. Now, I don't know what your goals or aspirations are with the sport of boxing. Maybe you just want to learn self-defense, or maybe you want to learn how to box so that you can compete in the local Golden Gloves or the amateur boxing tournament. Or maybe you want to learn how to box and become a world-class professional, and you just need to learn some extra tricks of the trade to help you win some fights. Well, whatever your goals are, my friend, I'm here to help you achieve those goals. Now, although I cannot work with you one-on-one like I have these great champions in this gym, through the magic of video and the internet, I can show you the same things that I taught to them, the tricks of the trade, as we call it. I can show you how to box like a professional boxer. And it all starts with, the first day in the gym. We teach a boxer when he comes in how to stand at a 45-degree angle so that he's not showing too much of a target. We teach you to keep your elbows tight and your hands high so that you don't get hit. You show me a fighter that's easy to hit, and I'll show you a fighter that's easy to beat. We're going to teach you how to bob and weave, how to parry punches, how to block punches so that you don't get hit. The name of the sport is hit and don't get hit. So we're going to teach you a lot of offensive drills, how to jab, throw right cross, how to jab, cross, hook, how to uppercut, hook. All of those things we'll teach you. We'll teach you footwork. In addition to that, my friend, there is a complete area in here on how to build championship abdominals. Now, the bodybuilders call it six-pack abs, but six-pack abs are just pretty. We're going to teach you how to get your core hard so that you can withstand, the blows that your opponent might throw at you. They'll not only look good, but, you'll be strong too. My friend, I'm here to help you, and I put together this amazing course to take you as far as your ability will allow you to go in the sport of boxing. The rest is up to you. I need you to go ahead and join the Club Knockout team today. Pay your entry fee and come on into the gym where I can show you how to box like a pro. Come on in. I'm waiting in the gym for you right now.